So in today's video, I'm going to talk about 3 sugar substitutes. So hey friends, this is Annie and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about how to replace your sugar. Now don't worry, I'm not asking you to compromise with your sweet cravings. I'm just saying replace that white sugar with healthy alternatives. But let me ask you a question. What's so wrong with white sugar? Actually, the white sugar we consume gets chemically refined and excessively processed before it reaches the grocery stores from where we buy it. And actually, that's how it gets its abnormal white color. So today I'm sharing with you 3 100% natural sugar substitutes. Number 2 on the list is my favorite. So starting with number 1 on the list is honey. Now in recent times in India, there has been a controversy that some top honey brands are adulterating their honey. I don't know how much of that is true or false, but I'm just saying that authentic original honey is actually very good for health. So you can add honey in your tea, coffee, sharbat, lime water, or even maybe you're dipping for your pancakes and you're good to go. You haven't got a sugar substitute. Now, if you want to avoid honey because of this controversy, I have got 2 more sugar substitutes for you. So wait. So number 2 on the list is, as I said, my favorite, gur or jaggery. So Indians have been using jaggery for ages, and I don't even understand why we Indians switch to refined sugar. Whatever, doesn't matter. Now let's switch back. So now there are very different types of jaggery, and you can use any of them though. All of them are very healthy, but I would highly recommend you to use the ones that are seasonal because they will have lesser preservatives and chemicals, which is better for our health. And you can add jaggery as a seasoning for your curries that you are making. We use white sugar usually to season that. You can even use it to sweeten your milk, curd, which is dahi, oatmeal. You might have seen me using this in the rabbit oatmeal recipe. So yeah, that's my secret and this is my favorite one. So I would highly recommend you check this out. So finally, number 3 on the list is Mishri or rock sugar. Now the surprising thing is Mishri tastes exactly the same as white sugar, so you won't miss anything. And wherever you are using white sugar, you can just replace it with Mishri. Your curries, your tea, coffee, milk, you name it and you can do it. And yes, Mishri is also made from sugarcane, just the way our white sugar is. But it doesn't go through any refining process whatsoever. So it has a lot of health benefits. You might have heard our grandmothers saying that you need to eat Mishri, that it has some cooling properties. It cools our body down. So definitely it's worth giving a try. I have stopped using white sugar. It has been almost 1 year now and I'm very happy. You can see that. I have a sweet tooth, so I have not compromised on my sweet tooth at all. I have been eating jaggery almost 3 to 4 times a day, and I would highly encourage you, whatever your fitness goal is, it can be weight loss, it can be weight gain, muscle building, whatever it is, it's definitely worth the switch. So even though I am personally using all of these, you do not need to buy all of these. Just choose any one, maybe jaggery, maybe honey, maybe Mishri, whatever you like more personally, and just switch your white sugar and see what happens. You will get to see the results within a few weeks or so. And yeah, so I hope you guys have learned something new in today's video. To keep watching more videos like these and to give me a kind of motivation, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, Annie Speaking. This is Annie and thank you so much for watching. Now don't worry, I'm not asking you to compromise with your sugar. Now don't worry, I'm not asking you to compromise with your sugar. Now don't worry, I'm not asking you to compromise with your sweet cravings. I'm just saying replace that white sugar with healthy alternatives.